Hi, my name is Neil Bashant, and this is my Juni Learning Earth Day Hackathon project. The project that I made was based off of a game that I used to play with my family known as Genius Square. The point of the game is it goes and fills in 7 random locations on the board, and you're given shapes to be able to fill up the rest of the board without it overlapping with the already filled in shapes. The programming language that I used for this project was Python with Turtle. So all of it's Python, by the way. And the reason why I used it with Turtle is because Turtle is a drawing utensil, so it became a little bit easier to be able to actually place everything around, and it also gave color types of options, and overall it's just easier to use. Let's go into the actual game mechanics now. Whenever you click on a shape, it will go and write a preview of how the shape's going to look on the top right corner, and that preview will represent how it's going to look on the board. So for instance, if we have the 3x2 shape, and we go and click on flip and rotate, it would go and rotate the object so that it represents how it's going to look on the board, and it also puts up a number, and if you re-click on the shape, it will go and clear it. Also, another thing that I like to mention is you can't place the shape anywhere like this. So for instance, if I click over here, if I click over here, if I click it over here, it would fit because it's going in between here. However, it won't, or even on the edge, it won't place the shape. And the way I did that was basically by setting it so that I gave these all locations, and if it's overlapped with location, it will go and send an error message to command to the controls area, where it would send this message right here. And this game is Earth Day themed. I made it so that each of the shapes, their color represents a different part of the world. So for instance, the blue, they're going to be representing the big bodies of water. The green would be representing all of the natural pieces like forests and different types of biomes that are made naturally. And the gray pieces will represent things that are made by humans, like technology and buildings and all these different types of things. So, and then after that, just place this, and it goes and just pops up that you win, and then that's where the game ends. So, I am thankful that I was able to participate in this wonderful hackathon, and yeah, have a great day.